back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss a single video. Wig cap. Three combs in the front, one in the back with adjustable straps. Minimum shedding. You do get a full frontal. 13x4 HG lace frontal wig, 20 inches. The price is $102. Add sheath bound wax stick to the hairline. Use a hot comb. Make sure you take your time to do this so it can be flat. Got to be glue spray to lay the lace down. Blow dry on cool until it gets tacky, and then spray some more. Use your hands to lay the lace down. Then you want to use the end of your comb, push the hair back. Leave the end of your comb, blow dry the hair. Use hairspray, spray it on your fingers, and press it into the lace. Blow dry it on cool. put your melting band on top of the lace and blow dry on cool. Use your hand and push down into the lace while you're blow drying. The lace is melted, but you want to melt it some more. Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation Level 9. Use the darkest shade, put it on the hairline. And as you can see, it's disappearing. Melt it one more time, adding hairspray to the hairline, and use your elastic band. Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation Level 9. Put it in a part. Take your razor comb and go down the hair strap to create layers. The two front pieces, put them together and even it out. Take your shears, go down the hair strap for more layers. I'm gonna start curling the bang pieces first. When you're done curling it, pin it. Kinver Volume Spray to hold the curls in place. Use a wide tooth comb, push the hair back, push it forward so you can create a bang effect.